I'm Peppa Pig. This is my little brother George. This is Mummy Pig. And this is Daddy Pig.
No! This is Patrick!
Peppa Pig.
Peppa devours.
Polly Parrot.
Hello, my little ones. Come inside.
I would rather lick a rusty knife.
We have a surprise.
Is it a rusty knife? Please tell me it's a rusty knife. Even if it's a lie, please just say the words.
We have a new pet.
Can you guess what it is?
Dinosaur?
OMG, George, would you get serious?
No, it's not a dinosaur. Come and see.
Help me.
Granny Pig and Grandpa Pig have a
This is our pet parrot. She's called Polly.
I have told you a million times my name is not Polly. It is Molly, you wrinkly old ham sandwich.
Pretty Polly.
When does this insulting torture ever end? Prettier than you, that's for sure.
Wow!
I am a clever parrot.
You have no idea, you swine.
Mummy, why does Polly copy everything that Granny says? Why does Polly copy everything that Granny says?
Hello, Polly.
Get away from me.
What a sweet little parrot.
What a nasty tub of lard.
Tea time.
Please tell me you are going away to...
Peppa, George, come on. There's chocolate cake.
Coming, Granny.
I thought those little swine fleas would never leave.
Please, can we leave the table and go and see Polly Parrot? Are you sure you completely finished your cake?
Off you go then.
Hooray! George, say something to Polly. Hello?
Goodbye.
I'm Peppa Pig.
I'm so sorry to hear that.
George, say George. George. George.
Peppa and George are pretending to be parrots.
I'm Polly Parrot.
The only thing you could be is a sausage biscuit. And you. Don't even get me started on you. Do you know the two things you have in common with low-fat Walmart brand bacon? You are made of pork, and everyone hates you.
Peppa is thinking of something else to say to Polly Parrot.
I'm a
Stupid!
parrot.
Stupid!
Parrot.
Peppa, George.
Have you been playing with Polly?
Yes, Granny.
Oh! Oh, my word.
Ho, ho!
I'm Wilfred Brimley, and I'd like to talk to you for a few minutes about diabetes. Actually, about diabetes.